Here's a look at today's assignment. The learning targets are, I understand that different expressions can represent the same situation. I can use variables in an expression to fit a general situation, and I can explain how to create an expression to fit a general situation. The second slide is an example slide on what you have to do. So it says 20 minus 6x. We have to solve that expression, but first we have to figure out what x equals. And it says x equals 2. So in the second part here, we have 20 minus 6 times 2. I replaced the x with a 2. Notice it is in parentheses. That means that we have to multiply these two numbers. So it would be 20 minus 6 times 2, not 20 minus 62. You multiply where that variable was. So 6 times 2 is 12, so 20 minus 12 equals 8. Now you're going to do the same for these four right here. You're going to substitute the letters or the variables with the numbers they equal, multiply them to the number they are next to, and then complete the expression. So 2x plus 6 and x equals 3. So you would replace this x with a 3, and then you would multiply 2 times 3, which equals 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Make sure you are multiplying with the variable number. And you'll do that for all four of these equations.